What's an own your own? Own your owns are community apartment projects that in many ways are similar to condos. So you own the right to use a particular unit. There's a homeowners association. You'll typically pay dues. There are rules that will govern what you can do. But the structure is a little bit different than a condo, and the financing that's available for own your owns is also different. So while there are many lenders who provide financing for condominium projects, there are just a few that will finance own your owns, and they typically will require a larger down payment than you'd need to make if you were buying a condo. Because of that difference, own your owns typically sell for less than they would if they were condos. And many of the own your own projects in Long Beach have been converted over the years to condominiums. If you have any questions about own your owns or condos or buying or selling property, let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California.